Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to change a screen for the iPhone 8 Plus. As you can see, its top buttons are not working, so we are going to change the screen. For that we are using this screwdriver, this one, and a fry tool. So let's start. For those two we have to use this kind of screwdriver, as I mentioned in the picture. You use this fry tool, insert in between the frame and the screen, and gently push it like this. Then here, a little bit here, and you have to open it like a book. Yes. We will use this type of screwdriver, as I mentioned in the picture, for those two screws, 4 screws. We are going to unplug the battery first. For those screws we will use this type of screwdriver, as I mentioned in the picture. One screw is already missing. Okay, so disconnect the front camera and disconnect the screen from here. Here the phone aside. Now we are going to remove the home button from the old screen, broken screen. I'm keeping all the screws in a sequence. You have to be just unplugged like this, see, and then you need a fry tool, insert it here just like this and go all the way, see, and then you push it like this, it comes on. Then you have to remove the front facing camera and the ear speaker. Somebody already worked in the phone before, so that's why there is a lot of screws missing. Okay, this is the old screen. Let's keep it aside. This is the new screen for the iPhone 8 Plus. So first of all, we are going to install the home button to the new screen. You have to lift it like this, and then the home button will go from front side to inside. Fix it like this and just keep it here, and just level it like this. See, without any force, go very smoothly. And reinstall all the screws back. This is the front camera. Ear speaker. And this is the cover for ear speaker and the camera. Missing screw. Okay, so now we are going to reinstall the screen to the logic board. Just plug the front camera and then the screen cables. And then plug the battery back. Make sure everything is plugged in. Close it. Before installing the covers, check the phone first. Okay. Home button is working. Screen is working. Now we are going to install all the screws in the sheets. I'm going to install the missing screw as well. Before closing, make sure that there is no screw lift inside in the phone, because when you are going to close it, it might be a cause of damaging the screen again. So just make sure that there is nothing inside. Okay, gently close it like this. Make sure the cable is safe. And reinstall the 2 screws. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, kindly like it, subscribe and share, and see you with another video. Thank you very much.